Welcome back, guys. Welcome to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing today on this beautiful day? Today we're going to talk about the burdock plant. This is the burdock plant, and this is basically the mother plant that I bring in this area. I take this plant from up over there and I bring it here in this area. These other ones here is seeds that come from this one. This one here come from this one. This one here is also seed that come from that one. This one also is seed. These plants are almost big like this one, but they're doing really well. A lot of people tells me that their leaf have benefit, but I'm not sure about their leaf. I know about their roots. Their roots push deep down in the earth and you harvest from their roots. So I more know about the roots, and the roots have tons of benefit. I also believe the leaf have benefit, but I don't know for sure if the leaf have benefit. But I know for sure that the roots is loaded with benefit. So this plant over here is the mother plant. These are seeds. I'm going to show you a few more up there that come from this one, that's seeds. So basically what I'm doing, I'm multiplying the burdock. Alright, so these are seeds that germinate in the garden from that one. So this one is, this is the next one here, this one here, and they all doing well. I'm not going to harvest them this year because I don't think they reach to that place where their roots going to be producing that big. So I might leave them for next year or the following year, and maybe by that time I might be able to have a beautiful harvest. And next one right here. Usually the mother plant was right here. So what I did, I remove it and I put it over there. So in this area here, I was digging. Let me see if I find any growing right here that I can show you. But here is where I dig them up from, and then I plant them on this bed here. The way I plant them in this form of banks. I think it's very important to grow burdock on banks, because when you're ready to harvest, you want to be able to see the roots while you clean with the soil. You want to be able to see the roots, so you ain't gonna break up the roots, because you might want to get the roots whole. But this is my little burdock crop I'm start growing. So I'm sure that next year is gonna be even bigger, because I'm gonna be getting a lot of seeds again this year, and a lot of seeds gonna drop on the ground. A lot of seeds gonna drop on the ground, and I will be able to take them over there, just like I did with this one. Okay, let me see. I'm trying to see if I see any on the ground. Yes, look, one right here. This is one right here. So I'm actually multiplying my burdock crop. Beautiful plant to grow. It produces such a beautiful flowers. I think it's excited, guys. I'm so excited to see my burdock crop is actually getting somewhere. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share.